Hello, Chris Byers here, part of the sales team at Titan Surfaces, and I just have a great opportunity today to present to you one of our styles, and the style name is Colossal, and we call it that for a reason because it is a beast. And to give you an idea of the specs on it, it is a 12 millimeter product, not a 12 mil, but a 12 millimeter, which refers to the thickness. And this is a ½ inch product. So a millimeter is about as thick as a dime, but this equals out to a ½ inch. So very thick product. And not only the thickness that makes it fit its name, but it's also a 30 mil wear layer. And this is the life of the floor. So most consumers know about a 20 mil wear layer. This is a 30 mil. So it's about, it is 50% extra in comparison to a 20 mil wear layer. And the mil wear layer is the life of the floor. It's what helps it hold up to kids, to pets, and just wear and tear that you have in everyday use in your home. And so also, in addition to the thickness 12 millimeter, the 30 mil wear layer, another thing you got to think about when you're thinking about LVP is size of plank. And so this is a 9-inch wide, 71.5 inch long plank. Each plank is that size. And so also, when you think about visual appeal, you think about the embossing and what that looks like. So this is EIR, and in the industry, this is where the term comes from, see a knot, feel a knot. And what that means is, anytime you look at this plank and you see any wood grain movement or a knot, you can literally reach down there and feel that, okay? So it just gives it a lot more visual appeal, and especially once you get it down in your home and you have some natural light come through the window or the door, it really looks fantastic with the EIR embossing. Also, the bevel type. This is a painted bevel, so this helps each plank stand out when you get this product on the floor. So a couple applicational uses for a 12 millimeter product is if you're butting up to a, let's say a ½ inch tile. A lot of open floor concepts out there now, right? So if you're butting up to a ½ inch tile in the middle of an open floor plan, kitchen, living room, this will get the job done there so you don't have a toe stumper in the middle of an open floor plan. Also, if you're doing any restoration work and you're taking out a thicker product and you don't want the gap under the baseboards or the moldings that go around the doorways, this will fill that gap also. Or if you're just in the market for the best, highest end LVP in the market, a 12 millimeter, 30 mil product is what you would be looking for. And here at Titan, we're proud of our product. We're proud of every truckload, every pallet, every carton that goes out of our warehouse. And so what we do is we emboss our planks with our Titan logo on the back. And the reason for that is we want the installers to understand what they're putting on the floor. The installers love putting our product together, and we use the Uniclic locking system on all of our products. It is time-tested, industry standard, so it goes together really well, and we're proud of that. Also, when you're thinking about Colossal, it's a WPC product. And so what does that mean? So it means that the planks are a little bit more forgiving on uneven subfloors. The planks are more comfortable underfoot. They offer noise cancellation, just a lot of features to a WPC product. And also, not only the planks, we have coordinating trim pieces here at Titan. And on all of our products, but actually on Colossal, we actually have the 50-inch stair treads to go along with those in addition to all the coordinating trim. So if you have kids, you have pets, you just want a quality product that can last in your home, Colossal would be one to fit the bill for that. And so the next time you have a flooring need, go to your local retailer, make sure to look for that Titan display, and Colossal will be in there. And I think you'll be pleased with the results that you get with Titan Surfaces and the products that we offer.